Innovative.
Creative.
Driven.
Challenging.
Passionate.
Enjoyable.
Inspiring.
Supportive.
BorgWarner are a global manufacturer of automotive components. So we make turbochargers for both commercial vehicle and passenger car applications.
One of the reasons I love working at BorgWarner is because of its culture. It's really fast-paced and you get the opportunity to work with intelligent people from all around the world. It's really diverse and everyone's really friendly.
There's great opportunities to grow within the company, great development opportunities for your career. Also because it has locations all over the world, so you got that global exposure as well.
Everyone's really great and it's a wonderful place to be with great staff and great support in every way. I expected the manufacturing environment to be dark, dingy, dirty, fairly intimidating generally, but it just isn't. BorgWarner's workshop is a great place to work. It's nice and clean and bright and airy, and it's a great place to learn.
Having an apprenticeship at BorgWarner or in manufacturing in general is a great opportunity for someone who's looking for a real career progression. There's a lot of skills that we're looking for up and down the country and globally. And having an apprenticeship through BorgWarner manages to make you be able to attain these skills and improve them to become a better, well-rounded engineer, and also for brilliant career progression.
As an apprentice at BorgWarner, there's lots of different things to do. In my line of work as an electrician, I do such things like domestic work stuff, so like in the offices, do a lot of industrials, so like your unit struts and all that sort of stuff. As well as that, you get a lot of training as well. So far I've been on doing my cherry picker, I've done my Legionella, an arc flash awareness course, lots of other stuff, and I've also got a lot more to do.
I actually started at BorgWarner a week after I turned 16 at college, and then into the working environment, like I say, starting assembly. And from there, no matter what, any time off I've needed, support, books that I've needed for my learning, they've been there throughout. I also wanted to go to university. I asked this of my manager, he said, I'll put it forward. The answer was a straight away yes.
I have regular one-to-ones and coaching sessions with my manager, which enables us to identify training needs, so that's technical skills and soft skills. I've also had the opportunity to take a 6 months secondment into a different department within the business, which means that I can widen my skills and help another area of the business as well.
At BorgWarner, you can be an apprentice in a variety of departments. You can go into maintenance, you can go and be an electrical apprentice, or go into design engineering and be a design apprentice. The best thing about apprenticeships is they're really widening up at the moment, and moving forward we're going to also be widening where we take apprentices, looking at departments such as finance, IT, HR, and really assess where we need to get people in to start to share our knowledge and experience onto the next generation.
So BorgWarner's vision is to offer a clean, energy-efficient world, and by using our skills and technologies, that's something which we're helping to hopefully create a better future.